Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I go by RishaaMariee, and if you are not new here, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate you. So in today's video, I decided, because I did get my hair blown out and I got like a little trim, so when my hair is blown out, I try to do something a little different, like similar styles, but to see how they look on blown out hair. So I'm gonna try to do a really simple braid out. I mean, so simple to the point that I plan on taking it down the same day. So I'm gonna use one product and I'm gonna do this braid out, and I think it's gonna give me really like wavy, like beach wave curls, but I do want definition, so I'm gonna make them a little smaller. Whatever, we'll figure it out as we go along. Don't worry, I'm not hurting my hair. This is a satin scrunchie. So y'all, this is my hair blown out, and remember I have layers, so that's why you see this different lengths. I'm gonna do a side part because that's what I always do, you know. I think my layers look the best when my hair is in a side part. I'm sorry, I just think my layers look so fire like that. So that's the part. Okay, this is my hair. So I'm probably gonna go in sections. I'm just gonna like part it down the middle, and I'm gonna start in the back. So just gonna do like a section. See, kind of big, not too small, because we don't want to be here all day doing this. Detangle it, detangle, and then I'm just gonna go in with foam. That's the only product I'm gonna use. You can use whatever type of foam you use. I always use the tropical root foam, and I'm gonna go in with just 2 pumps because I don't want it to be too wet, and I'm gonna focus mainly on the ends. And I don't want it too wet because we want to take it down today. So, focusing just on the ends with the product. And you see it reverted my hair a little, not too much, so I didn't use too much product. And I'm just braiding it down. And I'm gonna twirl the ends. You see, it does give me a little coil. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair. So let's see. Okay, y'all, I'm completely done with the braids. I have about 10 braids total in my hair. I only used this one product, 2 pumps on every single section, combed it out, and it's almost 3. So I'm thinking I'm gonna take these out around like 10, 11, and they should be completely dry, and then they should be ready for the week, I'm thinking. So I'm gonna just like put it up in this little ponytail back here. So like, I probably will leave them down at some point. Girl, I look horrid. Look like I got a bald spot right here the way I parted my hair. Lord Jesus. All right, yeah, but y'all, I will see y'all in some hours. Well, it's gonna be like the next scene for y'all, but it's gonna be some hours for me. Y'all gonna see me. Y'all gonna see me. All right, you guys, this is like hours later. It's about 10 o'clock, and I was gonna put some makeup on and try to do a real cute outro for y'all, but y'all, your girlfriend go to bed soon, so I'm gonna just see how it came out. This is the same day. This is, okay, so I probably finished around like 3, right? And it's about 10 now, so that's about, what, 7 hours? girl, don't look at me doing math at the top of my head. So a braid out all in the same day. Now y'all know, realistically, let's just be realistic. If you had did this on wet hair, this wouldn't have worked. Y'all know it wouldn't have. You would have, unless you sat under a dryer. Now I did not sit under a dryer at all. Well, I'm saying y'all know it wouldn't have worked like it already worked. Okay, let me take these down, okay? I just put a little oil on my hand, rub that through the braids. Y'all know the routine. I'm just taking them down. This gives you a little bit more slippage when you put a little oil on your fingertips in your hand. And it helps for you not to disturb the curls as much and cause as much frizz. Like, you will see the visible difference if you try to do it with dry hands versus with a little oil on your hand. Because I can even tell, like, when it stops letting me take it down. Alright, y'all, that's how it's looking. It's looking real Brady outish. Alright, y'all. This is the final look. I put a little edge control on so y'all won't think I'm too sloppy, you know. Really, I'm just gonna go to bed. I'm finna pineapple this, and this is gonna be how I wear my hair for the week. But yeah, this is the braid out. So this is really good for people that are not okay with their shrinkage. Like, I know it's a lot of naturals out there that's not completely okay with their shrinkage yet. So, you know, a blowout, braid out give you the same effect. You still get the length. You could also do this with stretching your hair, but this would just cut down the time, I believe, because, you know, if you did it the other way around on wet hair, you wouldn't get the same look, I don't think, and then also it'll take a little bit longer. So yeah, this is the end result, and got this in one day. Like, didn't have to wait overnight, didn't have to sit under a dryer. If you are a natural that's against heat, I understand that, because this was done on blown out hair, but I'm not against heat, so these are my results. You know, I can pin it up, do a bunch of different styles throughout the week to make it last, and then push come to shove, I'll just slick this sucker down into a bun, like if it just gets too out of control. But it looks good. It looks good to me. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Let me know if y'all already done this. If y'all like, girl, yeah, we already know about the blowout and braid out. We down with it already. If not, then let you know if I gave you something like, oh, okay, I never thought of a braid out on blown out hair. One product, y'all. One product. Anyway, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, because I post every single Wednesday. And I will see y'all next Wednesday. Peace.